Mag-lunch.
Our lunch. Ano tawag dito? Lumi?
Lomi.
Lumi and dried fish. Lumi. Dried fish.
Kaya masarap yung kanya natin. Yung adobo.
Mag-charge na muna ako, me. Lobat na ako. Ayaw. Bye-bye, love you.
Hello guys, we're done working. I'm with Aspen, Samantha and Carla, and we're going to Crabs and Crack. Our Valentine's date. Valentine's Day. Let's go! Hindi ko na pindot. Ngayon lang. Hey! Brum brum! Brum brum! Ba talag yan? Yay! We made it! We're here at Crabs and Crack. Saan na si Sam?
Nandun na, malis na.
Malis na, diretso na. Ah.
Bilis naman niya.
Sam is not coming with us.
Hindi mo na.
So, we're waiting to Abby at Abby.
Finish?
Kiss?
Siyempre. Paano siya, daddy?
You want kiss from Sam? Daddy? Say goodbye to Daddy.
Siya, baby ko, baby. Kiss daddy.
By the way, guys, this is Carla.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to my vlog. She's one of the OJT at Angelic and Aspintot. Let's go! Love you! I love you! They have this 1499. 1.5 iced tea, 1.5 kilo mixed seafood platter. 2 rice. 2 rice only?
Dapat.
Only for couple? Di man ako kumakain ng ganito. Tingnan na lang natin yung menu nila.
Okay.
Let's go. Thank you. Wow, sana all. They said, welcome to Crabs and Crack. We're happy to serve you. Here's their menu. Menu? Ooh. Oh, love it. Love this. They also have soup. Chicharron. It's not all. They have
Ate, 560 lang pala sila.
ayun, nasulat ko na.
Yan mo na, at least lakan.
There's a rice, ha? Yung ano nila, platter. Scallops. Wow. Ano muna natin? We do the price. King bundle. Wow. Ew. Love this.
Yes.
Wait lang. I-scan mo na lang. Wow. Ayaw ma-scan? Yay! Nako, Aspen has red horse already.
Of course, Redders. The Redders beer.
Red horse dear.
My girlfriend.
Your girlfriend?
Yeah, of course, my girlfriend. We're forever.
So we ordered what's it called? The seafood 1799 and we just add additional 1 rice for Abby because Abby is coming. It comes with leche flan.
Additional ka pa?
Ng 1 rice. It's okay. It comes with 3 rice, 1 leche flan, 1 buffalo wings, and 1 platter of seafood with leche flan. I like it.
Magkano yun?
1799. Here's the leche flan. Creamylicious. And iced tea.
And actually, the cap, it's free
For what?
for vinegar.
For the vinegar. Di na kailangan kasi,
And this one is from Pampilot.
yeah, no, no need for the vinegar.
No,
Because the buttered garlic is already tasty.
it's good. It's good, really good.
Okay, drink it.
Even though
Drink it. Drink it.
Actually, drinking a render. You said
The last time I eat here in Crabs and Crackers last year, like June last year.
oh, first time.
First time?
Yeah.
Oh, you will like it. It's only expensive,
Here's the seafood.
but you will like it. I'm a crab and shrimp lover.
Yes, favorite.
That's my favorite. Always buttered garlic.
Buti ito wala ka pa nung yung camera mismo na.
Meron ako. Wow! 4 rice. Nothing.
Meron siya eh.
Hindi, nagulat na lang ako kasi meron. Yummy. Happy Valentine's, everybody.
Valentine.
From Carla and Aspen. And from me. Oh, here's the chicken na. Chicken buffalo. Guys, okay, Didin. Gaga. Mali ah. Kanina pa pala, hindi ko na pindot.
Pwede ba yan?
Yeah, she's here now. Abby just arrived. Okay, you eat na. Tagal mo kaya?
Alam mo kasi puro ko kain. Di ba umalis ako kanina? Imbag na ako.
Ganyan talaga ang buhay.
Dapat yung parang yun naman yung pati mapan sila.
Na?
Thank you! Thank you for the
Thank you for the chuk-chak channel.
Ha? Okay yan, kasi naman lipasan ng gutom.
Hanggat may pagkain, kumain.
Ano ba isang?
I'm busog.
Dami pa.
How's your food, Carla? Great. Super great. Can you introduce yourself? Introduce yourself.
Hello po, I'm Carl Quito, the OGP of Angelique.
And then?
And then,
And then?
And then
How
I
old
am
are
the
you?
tallest and
I'm
sexiest.
21 years old.
Are you single or ready to mingle?
Single but not available.
Single but not available. Why?
Reserve?
He wants.
reserve.
She wants mestizo.
Reserve siya, reserve. Pwede ka din.
Reserve. She said she wants mestizo.
Ito.
What kind of mestizo are you looking for?
Bangus. Ito. Ano ba? Meron din naman, dalagang bukid. Ano ba? Anong gusto
What do you want? Korean, Japanese, Chinese, Philippines,
Chinese.
Americanese,
Tignan mo, pinaimay mo sa akin. Tapos,
Filipino?
ay,
She wants Ha? Korean? Hey, ay,
American?
American? Okay. Okay, Carla is for sale. Charot. Joke lang. Joke lang, Carla. I'm not your mama's son. I'm not your mama's son. I'm only bugaw. Charot.
supposed to be becoming mama son. Sorry guys.
How's your food?
Good! Great! Awesome!
Ah.
Ako naman tanongin mo. Siya naman.
How's your food, Aspen?
So yummy.
So yummy. Aspen is sad because
Ano?
her girlfriend is not here
I'm sad to
in
my
Iloilo
girlfriend is
City.
here, but I don't know if Iloilo.
Shout out mo si Dina.
Wag.
Okay, shout out mo siya.
Shut up. Shut up. Ayun na.
Okay.
Shout out kay Dina sa taga Iloilo dyan. Maghintay ka lang, mga 2 weeks nandiyan na ako.
2 weeks?
Kasi nandito na siya.
Ah? Pasawag. Dina, di ka na babalikan. Ah! Di na siya babalik.
Ay, di siya.
Ay, nakalimutan mo. Kalimutan mo sabihin kay Sam yung sunglasses mo ah. Ha? Tinawag sa mga sunglasses niya.
O sa kanya?
Okay, Sam.
Wala ka.
See you on Monday pa naman.
Hindi, bubukas ba?
Hindi.
Ano hindi? Ipasok ka?
Sabay-sabay naman tayo, di ba?
5:30. Sakto. Out nyo na.
Ayaw pa ako Tuesday.
Sabay-sabay na tayo ah. Ako nga, Deo, pamula ngayon hanggang Tuesday eh. Kuya! Ang trabaho yan.
Kasi marami kayo.
Hindi!
Salitan niyo.
Hindi ako papasok.
Hindi ka napapasok?
Wednesday na ulit. Alam naman nila yan pag may dapat ako. Papasukan ako. Ay! Papasukan ka mag-isa! Uy,
After eating.
Patigan mo tigalin natin siya.
Why you don't want to eat this?
Oy, ay, ita.
take out. Ang aming pong
Oh my God.
si Madam Aurin. Sunday.
Oh my God. Aspen is drunk now because of that red horse. Prank.
Content! Content!
Content.
Content.
Content!
Nag-tripan niya pa ako eh.
Thank you. Kuya. Ay.
Ang pinagbayad, content!
Papakita yung birma mo doon.
Ano ka pangalan mo sa amin yan?
Bakit?
Wala ko sinasabi.
Kuya, single ka po? Single? Ah! Single din siya. Pares kayo. Ayun, pares kayo naka-red.
That's is that you? That's
Tex?
ito to.
They're joking.
Yeah, I'm joking. Sorry, that's.
Carla and sino? Si Togs?
Si ano to? Si Carla siya, di ba?
Carla. Carla Tets.
Carla Tets? Ay, Tets. No, ayaw.
we're done eating, guys. After this, we're going to MGC to play billiard. MGC.
Very fun.
Let's go.
Tara, try.
That's our mag-happy Valentine's na muna.
Happy Valentine's, everyone!
Happy Valentine's, everybody. Thank you for being with me. Charot. May Valentine's Day. Thank you.